often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know, every time you come around, every time you return, you see it in your tired